Hi students, welcome to our channel Learn with GBR Vlogs. In the previous video, we have learned few problems about exercise 7.3 fractions. Now, in this video, we are going to learn about remaining problems of exercise 7.3 fractions. Okay? Now, fourth question. That is, find the equivalent fraction of 3 by 5 having is denominator 20 and the numerator is 27. So, we have to find two equivalent fractions of that given fraction 3 by 5 so that the denominator is 20 and the numerator is 27. First, denominator is 20. Numerator is 27. Then the denominator is 20. Then we have to find the numerator in this. And in this, numerator is 20. Then we have to find the denominator. Now let us first one. That is denominator is 20. And the given fraction is 3 by 5. Now here denominator is 20 given that. Now we have to check 5 how many times the denominator is 20. Obviously we know that 5 4 ja 20. So how to get the equivalent fraction of a given fraction? We can multiply both numerator and denominator by the same number. That is 4. 3 into 4 by 5 into 4. That is equal to 3 4 ja 12 and 5 4 ja 20. So the given fraction is 12 by 20. When the denominator is 20, we will get numerator is 12. Fraction is 12 by 20. Next one. First we have given fraction that is 3 by 5 and the numerator also given that is 27. Now we have to find the denominator. Now here numerator is 27 given that. Now we have to check the 3 how many times we get numerator is 27. That is 9. 3 9s are 27. So both numerator and denominator multiply the 9 number. The number 9. 3 into 9 by 5 into 9. 3 9s are 27 and 5 9s are 45. So the given fraction is 27 by 45. Okay. Now let us see the fifth question. That is, find the equivalent fraction of 36 by 48 with numerator 9 and the denominator is 4. Now given fraction is 36 by 48. Now we should get the numerator 9. So then how to get the numerator 9 in the equivalent fraction? Means 36 must be divided by the same number. So what is the number? Then here first 36 by 1 it is equal to 36. 36 by 2 it is roughly 2 equal 18. 36 by 3 it is equal to 12. 36 by 4 it is equal to 9. So then we divide both numerator and denominator by the number 4. So we can take 36 by 4 and 48 by 4. That is equal to 36 by 4 it is equal to 9. 48 by 4 it is equal to 12. 9 by 12. So then the equivalent fraction of 36 by 48 is 9 by 12. When the numerator is 9, so we can write therefore equivalent fraction of 36 by 48 is 9 by 12. Equivalent fraction of 36 by 48 is 9 by 12. Equivalent fraction of 36 by 48 is 9 by 12. Then B. Given fraction is 36 by 48 and the denominator is 4. Given fraction 36 by 48. Now we should get the denominator is 4. So then how to get the denominator 4 in the equivalent fraction? Means 48 must be divided by the same number. So what is the number? That is 12. 4 12s are 48. So then we divide both numerator and denominator by the same number 12. So we can take 36 by 48, it is equal to 36 by 12 and 48 by 12. 36 by 12 it is equal to 12, 3 is 36. 3. 48 by 12 it is 4. 3 by 4. So then the equivalent fraction of 36 by 48 is 3 by 4 when the numerator is 4. Sorry, denominator 4. We can write equivalent fraction of 36 by 48 is 3 by 4. Now let us see the sixth question. Check whether the given fractions are equivalent. That is 5 by 9 and 30 by 54. Then how to check whether the given fractions are equivalent or not? So here take either numerators are equal or the denominators are equal. So when we take the numerators are equal, if the denominator are also equal, then the two fractions are equivalent. So if you make the denominators are equal, then the numerators are also equal and also the two fractions are equivalent. Now let us make the numerators are equal in the two fractions. So the first fraction is 5 by 9 and in the second fraction the numerator is 30. So how to make the 5 as 30? So when 5 is multiplied by 6, we can get 30. So in the given fraction 5 by 9, we will multiply both numerator and denominator by the same number 6. Now 5 by 9, it is equal to 5 into 6 by 9 into 6. That is equal to 5 6 are 30 and 9 6 are 54. So here given another fraction is 30 by 54 and here also 30 by 54. So when we make the numerators are equal, so we can say the denominators are also equal. So the given fractions are equivalent. 5 by 9 and 30 by 54 are equivalent fractions. So 5 by 9 and 30 by 54 are equivalent fractions. Now in sixth problems B, C, there you try students, okay. And for the next seventh problem, reduce following fractions to simplest form. First A 48/60, 150 by 60, 84 by 98, 12 by 52 and 7 by 28. In these 5 problems, I tell 2 problems. Remaining problems you try students, okay. To reduce the given fraction to the simplest form. First 48 by 60. So we have to divide the both numerator and denominator by the HCF. First let us HCF of numerator 48 and the denominator is 60. So here the larger number 60 is divided by the smaller number 48. 48, 60. 48 ones are 48. Remaining 12. Now take 48 and 12, 48. 12 fours are 48. Remainder is 0. So when we get remainder is 0, we stop the HCF. And the last divisor is the HCF of given fraction. That is 12. HCF of 48 and 60 is 12. Now we divide both numerator and denominator by the HCF 12. 48 by 60, it is equal to 48 by 12 and 60 by 12. That is 48 by 12. 12 4 is 48, 4. And 60 by 12. 12 5 is 60. That is 4 by 5. Now the 48 by 60, it is equal to 4 by 5. This is the simplest form of 48 by 60. Simplest form of 48 by 60 is 4 by 5. And also, so this can also done by cancellation method. That is cancellation method 48 by 60. First in which table? 4 table. 4 1 ja, 4 2 ja, 4 1 ja, 4 5 ja. Again 3 4 ja, 3 5 ja. That is 4 by 5. So we can get 4 by 5 by cancellation method. Okay. Now 84 by 98 B1. Here also first we find the HCF of the both numerator and denominator. So here also the larger number is 98 divided by the smaller number 84. 98, 84. 84 ones 84. Means 1, 4, 14 remaining. Again take 84. 14, 84. 14 6 is 84. Remainder is 0. So the last divisor is the HCF of given fraction. That is HCF of 84 and 98 is 14. Now we divide both numerator and denominator by the HCF 14 by 12 and 12. 84 by 14, that is 6, and 98 by 12, that is 12 6 is 84, 12 7 is 98. Sorry. 98 by 12, that is called 12 7 is 98. So the simplest form of 84 by 98 is 6 by 7. Next, let us see the 8th question. Ramesh had 20 pencils, Sheelu had 50 pencils and Jamal had 80 pencils. After 4 months, Ramesh used up 10 pencils, Sheelu used up 25 pencils and Jamal used up 40 pencils. What fraction did each use up? Now, and check if each has used up an equal fraction of her or his pencils. Okay. Now, check the question. The solution. First, total number of pencils Ramesh had, that is 20. And the number of pencils used by Ramesh after 4 months, 10 pencils. And total of pencils had Sheelu 50. After 4 months, number of pencils used by Sheelu 25. Okay. First, total number of pencils Ramesh had 20. Number of pencils used by Ramesh is 10. Therefore, the fraction is used pencils are 10 after 4 months and had pencils 20. That is 0 0 cancel. Required fraction is 1 by 2. And total number of pencils had Sheelu is 50. After 4 months, number of pencils used by Sheelu 25. Now the required fraction is used pencils 25 and had pencils is 50. that is 25 ones are 25 twos are 1 by 2. Required fraction is 1 by 2. Now the total number of pencils Jamal had, that is 80 pencils. After 4 months, number of pencils used by Jamal is 40. Now the fraction is used pencils are 40 and the had pencils are 80. 0, 0 cancel. 4 ones are 4 twos are. That is 1 by 2. Here one observed the required fraction is here Ramesh 1 by 2 and also Sheelu 1 by 2 and here Jamal also 1 by 2. So this is equivalent fraction? Yes. This is equivalent fraction. Yes. Each has used up an equal fraction of pencils, that is 1 by 2. Each has used up an equal fraction of pencils, that is 1 by 2. Okay students? If you like this video, like, share, comment, and if you want more videos, subscribe my channel. Thank you. Thank you friends.